All new tonight at 11. It is the biggest change to the tax code in 30 years. But what does it mean for your return?
And your bank account. Mark Kelly looks at how the new rules affect you, why there's a major headache you can probably avoid.
A major goal of this tax change is to make the filing process a little bit easier and for you to keep more of your hard-earned money. Of course, simplifying tax filing also saves the government some money, too. According to the Tax Foundation, 80% of us will see lower taxes this year. 15% of us will have no change. And for 5% of us, your taxes will actually go up this year. Now, parents, here's one you're going to love. The child tax credit has doubled. That means that's cold, hard cash straight into your pocket. So if you had a child like I did when you filed your taxes last year, the government gave you $1,000. But guess what? This year, it is a whole lot bigger. You're getting $2,000 for each child. Let's face it, raising a kid costs quite a bit. That could certainly help you out with childcare and when it comes to buying all those diapers, too. Isn't that right, Delta?
It encourages a family. It also helps them with certain expenses. You know, raising a child obviously costs more than $2,000 a year. So that $2,000 a year for those families really comes in handy. It really does come in handy.
Well, one of the biggest questions, itemize or take the standard deduction. Well, to itemize, you have to add up all these receipts, charitable donations, medical expenses. And one accountant says this is only for the rich this year. Most Americans aren't going to take the itemize option. Instead, they're going to do the standard deduction because this year the standard deduction has doubled. Well, for an individual, it has doubled from $6,350 to $12,000 and as high as $24,000 for a married couple.
If they're on that cusp of $24,000 or if they don't think they're going to be close to that, I tell them, no bother, don't bother. It's, you know, you're wasting your time.
And one last thing. Remember, when it comes to health insurance, the government still mandates that you have it, but did away with the penalty this year. The accountant I spoke with says he believes half of his clients will forego health insurance now that that penalty is gone. Mark Kelly, WPBF 25 News.
So what I got there is have more kids? Is that the advice?
I'm still stuck on Delta. Little Delta has grown so fast.
And she did not get a talent fee for her performance
She's so
in the
cute.
studio.
We'll be right back.